Guess what, everybody? I am excited to be announcing my Crush It in 2022 workshop day, where I'm going to give you everything you need to blow away the competition. At this event, we're going to talk about how you can attract the best caregivers, how to maximize your profits, and how to free yourself from the everyday-to-day operation of running your business. At this 2-day virtual workshop, this is what we're going to cover. The $5 million business blueprint. The business goes where you go. We're going to talk about managing your office staff, and we're also going to talk about recruitment through better retention processes. Then we're going to bring it all home with tracking, reporting, and growing. This event is for business owners and executive directors, so claim your spot to save on our early bird discounting, which is ending on January 31st. Why pay full price when you can get it for less? So do the smart thing, click the button below, and register so I can give you everything you need to blow away the competition.